I'm here at TechStars New York with Jason Baptiste and Andres. And you guys are with Onswipe.
Yep.
And what is Onswipe?
Onswipe is a platform for publishers of any size to make it insanely easy for them to make their existing mobile and tablet site an app-like experience. So literally in under 3 minutes, they can make it look and feel like a native app without doing much work.
Okay, so you're going to show me this, and this is all in the browser.
This is all browser-based. So imagine somebody went to the site, it would notice they're on iPad, and just show this version instead. So you got 3D page crawling here.
There's no extra work that goes into it whatsoever.
And it's picking their brand, their colors. It's just a demo publication we set up. It pulls in not only their blog content, but it can also pull in things like Instagram, eventually Twitter, Flickr.
This is what people will see when they visit the site on their mobile browser.
Yeah, exactly, and it works in all tablets, not just iPad, Zoom. We also have Android phone, WebOS tablet stuff coming. So let me go back to blog content and show you an article. Like I said, this is really like 5 minutes old, early stuff.
So you can do this right now with any WordPress.com blog.
Correct. Yep. So you can go to, I'm trying to think, one is Qt Overload has it, I believe. This is an article, right? So it's just this beautiful app-like that you're just scrolling through, showing it here.
And what else? What are some of the other features besides in terms of sharing and saving?
Yeah, so there's built-in social sharing and saving into every article. Where the hell is that? So you can go in and when you're reading, it disappears and gets out of the way. But if you want to see it, you can comment, you can share, you can save this for offline reading to a central queue. So anything you save across all the Onswipe enabled sites goes into a nice offline queue that's Facebook Connect enabled that all your friends can see. But you can also discover new content. So this is just example content here that if I want to see other related articles, I hit that rocket ship, and it'll bring something in, and it can bring in publishers' existing content or other sites, but it never leaves the publisher's site, so it's still friendly to them.
And that comes from the Bitly API?
Yeah, so we're working with the Bitly guys to get in recommendations, and then also some stuff from Hunch and our own different algorithms we're developing, but starting really with the Bitly API since BetaWorks is one of our investors.
And what can you do different on the ad front?
Yeah, so we say, hey, if we can make your content look great, what can we do for advertising? So we've always been inspired by print, so we said, why not do beautiful print-like ads? So this right here is existing print creative, so we're using Ray-Ban as an example, but it can also do geolocation. So I can say, show sunglass huts near me. What if I want to share an actual ad? The ad itself is all accelerometer aware. And what if I want to do video, right? So I can embed a YouTube video. We think in our world that instead of publishers using AdSense to monetize content on touch-enabled devices, it's going to be, beautiful print-like ads. But since we have the data, we can have Google-like AdSense targeting with, Facebook type of personal data mixed in.
So with these kinds of mobile web experiences, do you think that publishers should waste time making iPad apps and Android apps for tablets?
We think when it comes to content, apps are bullshit. There's no real reason to do it. They lose their existing traffic. They have no control is going to be there. Where can they monetize? And it's also really expensive to do. With us, it's absolutely free for any publisher. We can look at partners, publishers as partners, right? And they can get started in under 3 minutes using Onswipe and do everything that they would have done with an app, except save the time and a lot of money.
Great. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.